Okay, what I'm showing here is right here, there's a hook, and you can just barely see the end of it. That is attached to this bolt right here. This bolt right here. And I'm going to show you how that works. Also, over here, I've been adjusting this fence so that it is square to the table. And the way that I do that is not only that hook back there, but if you will look in here, I drilled a hole, and it's rather difficult to see, but there is this hole, and there's a slot in a bolt, and that bolt can be used to adjust the fence. Okay, well, here's an illustration of what I have been talking about. Here's that bolt. This part right here, this is loose, and when I turn this bolt in or out, especially when I go this way with it, it will pull this fence tight this way. I also have this bolt head down here, and it has a slot in it, and that was the one that I was showing you where I was adjusting the fence. So I can adjust this and make the fence go this way. I can adjust this here and make the fence go that way. And up here is the hinge, and this is where it pivots. So I hope that's an explanation of how I can get this fence square to the table.